Hi there. Today I'm gonna guide you step by step how you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app. Now you can see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on that. Now scroll down a little. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. A whole new page will appear in front of you. Now you can see the option of Personal and Account Information. Tap on that. From here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. A new page will appear in front of you. Here you can see the option saying Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on that. Now here, it gives you 2 options to either temporarily deactivate your account or delete it permanently. We want to deactivate our account temporarily, so we will choose Deactivate Account and then tap on the blue button below. Now here you have to enter your password. Let me enter mine. Here we go. On this page, Facebook wants to know the reason why you are deactivating your Facebook account. Choose one of these options and tap on Continue. Now here, scroll down a little and you will see an option of reactivating your account. Here, choose one of these options from the drop-down menu. I'm going to choose Don't Reactivate Automatically as I don't know when I'm gonna need this account back. Now tap on Continue. Now on this page, if you don't want to receive any notifications while your account is deactivated, just check the box and then tap on Deactivate My Account. And that's it! Your account has been temporarily deactivated. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.